Dear students, today I am going to start from your new book by K.C. Sinha. I am going to start first chapter, rational number. You have already read about rational number. What is a rational number? Again I explain about rational number. Rational number the numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers, where P and Q are integers, and Q is not equal to 0. The numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. Are called rational numbers. In the first chapter of your class book, rational number is given. So I am going to start from rational number. The definition of rational number is the numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. Now I am going to describe you about the properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational numbers. Example: two, 3 by 4, 0, ... Properties of rational numbers. First property, if x, y, z are if x, y, Z are any x, y, z are any three rational numbers then associative property x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. Here x, y, z are any rational numbers. So associative properties, according to associative property, x plus y plus z बराबर x plus y plus z. Second property is commutative property. Associative property for addition, x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y bracket plus z. Second number, commutative property. If x, y, z are any three rational numbers, then commutative property according says that x plus y is equal to y plus x. X plus y is equal to, here x and y are any rational numbers. Third property for additive identity. Third property, distributive. Distributive property. We say for distributive property in Hindi, विचरण गुण. विचरण गुण. कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी क्रम विनिमय गुण. क्रम विनिमय गुण. एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी साहचर्य गुण. साहचर्य गुण. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव, अकॉर्डिंग टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी, according to distributive property, x plus x into y plus z, x into y plus z, x into y plus z x into y plus x into y plus x into z. Now fourth property is additive identity. additive identity zero plus for rational number 0 according to identity 0 plus x बराबर x. If we add any rational number to 0, we get a rational number. For rational number 0, परिमेय संख्या 0 के लिए एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी बराबर 0 प्लस एक्स बराबर x प्लस 0 बराबर x. एडिटिव इन्वर्स एडिटिव इन्वर्स जोड़ का प्रतिलोम. if x is an rational number, if x is a rational number, then minus x plus x is equal to x plus minus x is equal to 0. Here hence negative of x and minus x, hence x and minus x are called the additive inverse of each other. I again explain additive inverse. If x is an rational number, मान लिया कि अगर पाँच कोई परिमेय संख्या है तो -5 + 5 -5 + 5 is equal to 0. So 5 is additive inverse of -5 and -5 is also additive inverse of x. So x and minus x are called the additive inverse of each other. This property is very important for a rational number. This property will help you to solve problem, and very often it is asked that anybody can ask you what is the associative property of rational numbers, and anybody can ask you that what is commutative property of rational number, distributive property of rational number, additive, what is an additive identity, and what is an additive inverse. Additive inverse of you will remember that additive inverse of positive rational number is minus, and additive inverse of minus negative rational number is always positive. So you will remember this property, and tomorrow in next class I will solve some problems based on this property. So you will read this property. Thank you.